What is up, people? So, got some day trading today. I took a trade in Asia. Where is it? Wait, wrong account. Wrong account. I was gonna take a payout from this account today, but I was like, it's not max payout, and I'm trying to go for that. I was 500 off max payout, but now I'm 1,000, basically. Max payout's 3k. Not taking no bullshit ass payouts, but this gonna have alerts set like this and this, and then we have a data week low on this, so I'm gonna set that, and now probably just gonna wait. I think this previous day's high is a clear draw, but obviously I'm not gonna like take a trade until these data wicks get tagged. It's down here. I'm bearish on NQ and ES currently, but let's see how this plays out. I'm actually getting water. That's actually what I'm gonna do. Is that the bell? Yeah, it's a bell. Bro, my desk. This isn't even no desk, bro. This is sick. Oh my. Alright, well, nothing has been tagged yet, mate. Holy consolidation. I want this data to get tagged and then I want a short. Oh, mate. Sky. This a fella. Darwick has been taken. Yeah, buddy. That was the most pathetic Darwick ever on silver. Alright, we're coming up to swing this high now. I like it a lot. We have unfilled 4 hour, unfilled daily. I'm not a fan of this daily profile though, because we have it looking a bit like, well, London was more of the like accumulation, and this is the manipulation. So these two sort of arranged together, you could say. Not proud of it, man. I have to say it. What are we doing, bro? Why are we failure swinging a data week? I'm chucking my phone over here, bro. This little nerd's getting distracted. Bro, take the short, bro. Look at this projection block. Ooh. Wait, will it show it on my OBS? No, it won't. Good. Alright. Didn't want to leak some mentorship students thinking. Well, this is looking like I mean, there's a clear draw here. Like, this inversion was pretty shy, but you know. This looks like it'll work up to previous day's high. But I mean, I'm just not interested. Because gold's going to be drawing lower until this gap gets tagged. I mean, not this gap. What am I saying? Oh, why we decorrelated? Why we decorrelated? Even if I do say so myself, this is like a very sexy Payout 3. Yeah, not a fan of that. There's 4 hours, and we have a 4-hour and daily gap below with equal lows right there that unprotected. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my golly gosh. Alright, well. I'm also not a big fan of, like, we're delivering out of that hourly, bro. This 5-minute inverse is nice, but we have not done shit. Why are we failure swinging a data wick though? Like, bro. This is such a clear draw. I say this heaps when we accumulate a lot and then we go for this data wick. We just keep failure swinging the data wick. For me to short down to this data wick, I would need to see some bearish PDRs being respected in a higher time frame, like 5 minute plus. So like if we form a gap here, then we can short down, because this high is technically protected, but you know, it's not really a good one. Should have tapped a 3 minute. No, we just inverse a 2 minute. Yeah, nice. You clown, bruv. Just. As I said, I'm not a big fan of that. We've inversed that to the downside now. Don't print it perfect. Bro, don't print that. I liked when I saw this forming when I was making like the outlook for the students. I was like, bro, all this LR is so clean, leading up to that data week, and then boom, took a bit of that LR. Now we've come down and left relative equal lows here. So yeah. Ho ho ho, nah, gee. What gap is this? Oh, bro. This is low-key like an eval only play, and I don't have any evals that can be traded right now because they're maxed out because I full ported CPI and I passed. Well, not passed. I hit the consistency rule, so I genuinely just can't make money. But this is more of an eval play. This is a bit too aggressive to take on a funded. It's very obvious though, like I must say. Just because that data wick's there and it's such a strong draw. But like now we're getting into the territory of that 2 minute. Have alerts set there and there. Man, I did say I'm not doing anything till this 4 hour gets touched. At least. Even this 4 hours a stretch for like me taking it long, I can't lie. Let's see. If this 1 minute holds though, I know a lot of brothers who probably got caught out on this long. Shit was alright. But like, it's literally just an inversion. Pattern trade. Like I said, this trade would have been more of a eval aggressive only play. I'm not taking it on this funded. I'm not taking it on this funded. I'm going to be risking 500 on this funded, I think. Because I like you want to get rid of it, bro. Even though it's close to payout. If shit starts going south on it, I'll just take a payout. Hopefully my consistency rule doesn't get fried again. Got 1, 2, 3 highs-ish stacked up. But I wouldn't even, like, the long situation is semi-dead because of this dealing range. We're in premium. We didn't form a 5 though, I don't reckon, no. So what the flip are we doing, bro? What the flip are we doing here, man? What are we doing, bro? We'll at least have a retrace up here like this. Maybe NQ just wanted to come and tag that. Maybe NQ just wanted to come and tag that, man. Again, this is... I just can't, like I said, bro, this is literally just... Where they say... No, bummy equalize, bro, I can't lie. Because now it looks like we're not engineering. We're just generating low resistance liquidity. To, like, come in, like... To be extremely safe, you would need to wait for that. And then your risk to reward goes negative. There's change in state of delivery, I mean. Holy shit, bro. If this actually plays out, it plays out. Let's see how we react around this. You would probably have your stop like there, because if this IFEG fails, then this trade's probably gonna fail. But I mean, this looks alright. Do I take a little stab, bro? Just for the culture. I mean, bro. I don't even know, bro. MNQ took that data high. MNQ took that data high. Okay. Alright, I see you. See here how we're not getting above that 930 open. This is going to take that data wick very soon. I'm sussed of this, bro. I'm not trying this. I'm so sussed out of how this is moving. And now it's clear that we're generating low resistance liquidity, which is generating a bunch of LR. So like every inversion is just fake. Longing in extreme premium. Just because we have a strong draw for high doesn't mean we're gonna take it. Because I'm not taking it in such a premium. Bro, if this mouse worked, I'd be so balling out right now. But it doesn't. I forgot my adapter. And it's fine. 50-minute change in state of delivery, bro. 50-minute CISD. And the CISD would actually be down here, us. This Dartwick's obviously a draw, but how exactly are we going to get a trade? Because we have LR here, we have boom, boom, boom. We're engineering all this liquidity now. Did MES take that Dartwick? I wonder. Nah. Holy. Alright, so we put an SMT on that low. Some internal SMT. Alright, this 30-second looks very, very clean. But I mean, I'd love to wait for like a change in side of delivery, maybe. And then you would go break even at this 3-minute. Or where if NQ tags that. Bro, no, I'm not taking this shit. I'll wait for the data wick to get taken, then I'm shorting down. Alright, well. Bro, take the 15-second IFVG, trust me. Yep, and now we're drawing towards that shit. First ever gap being respected. There wouldn't have even been an entry here just yet. This is looking garbage. This is looking so garbage. I'm saying what people have to say. Alright, well, this is fried. Oh my gosh. What are we doing? What are we doing, bro? I know some idiots took this as well, which pisses me off. You know when there's a trade that just looks like an obvious pattern trade? And like people took it, bro. But AS, bro, what are you doing, bro? Get down on it, come on, get down on it. This is a joke. This is a joke. Bro, there's a gas mozzie in here, bro. If I find it, I'm gonna slime it out. Oi, bro. I wish I was on live stream. I wish I was live streaming this to people. So we could talk about shit. Because, like. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm actually throwing so many bricks up right now. It's not even funny. I'm throwing so many bricks up right now. It's not even funny, bro. You know it's a method? You throw a ton of bricks. When you're on the charts, you just keep shooting bricks in the dams. Just so you can not be hyper fixated on the charts. So you're checking, like, was that actually a brick? And if it was a brick, you're like, alright, move on to the next one. And like your setup, if your setup forms, it forms. Because you can brainrot on your phone, but probably not going to be good. Because you're always going to be farming dopamine. But throwing bricks, just straight bricks, and seeing if that hit is arguably more fun. And you get adrenaline, you get all the dopamine from that. Yeah, maybe I just throw too many bricks, and I'm coping, but I don't know, bro. This is why I want to be on live, bro. I can show you guys what bricks I'm shooting. But they're not even bricks, bro. They're not even bricks. Oh, bro, it's so overs. Who unfold? No. Oh, that makes sense. I was gonna say, there's no way Alora unfollowed me, that LARP chick. I unfollowed her, so that's why it's not showing up as a mutual. If that makes sense, bro. Or this is hot, God. This is hot ass, bro. This is hot ass. Bro. Will this pattern trade IFVG work? Will this pattern trade IFVG work? Oh my life. Oh my life. Oh my life. This is just not even like tradable, buddy. What is this IM session? I feel bad for anyone who just trades the IM session. It must be so just mentally exhausting. Because I mean, I trade every single one, but I trade other sessions. I can go for that. Just do something. Just do something, gang. Just do something, gang. Yo, G&G, do something, bro. Yo, do something, bro. I love how we just fully just faked out another short to the downside. It's it's hilarious. It is hilarious. We did it here, and then we actually sold off in the AM session. I called that shit. But this one is a bit different because we didn't do it. You know the AM session's asked when none of your like alerts have been set off. At least we have a massive 10 AM payout 3. This is literally all we did. Accumulate, breakout, re-accumulate. It's not over till the fat lady sings, mate. Oh my gosh, bro. Nothing. have nothing. I have nothing. Oh, there's a 3-hour FEG on MG4 on R2D2 pair, bro. Trust. Just take longs, bro, to be fine. And then you so that candle closed bearish, this candle closed bullish. Nice. I'd probably do it like this. Holy. Unfortunately, there's a volume imbalance. This might be another one of those days. Alright, 10 AM Payout 3. 10 AM Power 3 looks to be being alright. Is it? Oh. Bro, what was that? What is even in that water, bro? Do we even like tap anything of significance? Bro, if I was on AVAL, I would gobble this shit up. Might just take it on paper for the culture. I'm not taking this on my funded. No way. No way, man. I love this because we have this unfilled. This has no top wick. The actual fair value in this 1 minute, well, this imbalance is over here, not this fair value. This is not fair value. But we're rebalancing it, and we have. And if as soon as one pair looks like it's gonna draw to that data wick, the other pair becomes decorrelated again. I like how we have all this LR built up though. I must say. There looks like there should be a gap here though. Yeah, there is. There is. There's a 4 minute. I don't like that fat ass week as well, bro. Like, see, I told you we should put a week in. Holy ball knowledge. I'm gonna give it to like half past and then I'm gonna get off. Because I need to be up like early-ish tomorrow. Oh, bro. Oh my god. Oh my. Bro, this drawer is so far down. I just think this session's gonna be a write off. This literally just has to be a write off. It has to be a write off, bro. This is just. Man. Make New York session great again, bro. I'm telling you. Wait, that's actually a fire idea. Wait, that's a fire idea. That's low-key a fire idea, bro. Hold on, let me stop quick. Make X great again. Hat. Alright, that's gonna be my weekend little project. That's actually gonna boot off. That's hard, bro. Holy buns, dude. I'm just gonna be sitting here until one of these alerts go off. I'm not touching shit, bro. This is so jarring, bro. Like, if we tap this gap up here, then I would have maybe been interested. But now we're just doing nothing. This is probably just, bro. I don't even know what to say. This is so bad. Where's red, bro? Not burgundy, G. Not burgundy, bro. Is burgundy red? I swear it's not. Bro. Bro, what's this? Why is this a goofy ass colors, G? Why is this color? I want red, bro. I want red. Can I have red, bro? Well, this IFVJ printed, which is just like so baffling to me, because we didn't necessarily even like hit anything, bro. Such bullshit. Alright, well, we hit that at least. Let's say if we now want to target that data wick. Let's have a look, eh? If we're gonna be on some bullshit, then. Sick. We have a bit of LR down here. It's gonna be a nefarious stop loss, I can't lie. I don't like how previous days highs like here though. Nice print, nice print. internal manipulation which taps into this 15-minute FUJ. I like that, I guess. I just don't like how we just tap that 1 minute and respected it so nicely. Alright, that's nice. I like that shit. Oh look, you want to change it up so this is there and you see it's that's like such a nice tap and reaction off that 15. I don't need to risk that much though. Now that the risk to rewards are better. That's like exactly what I wanted to see. I mean, this would have been cleaner, I guess, but if we can like not close above this week. I'd say some displacement through this gap, and then that looks good. I just don't like how this 10 ampere throw is looking. If we start respecting this gap, then I'm gonna be like, alright, my draw is probably incorrect, but yeah. Looks like the draw was incorrect, lads. That's annoying. How about that's annoying, bro? What are these things saying? I just like am baffled that we are just not wanting to target this. We have a data week here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 lows stacked up. This is looking like a very nice AMD. Tap that 15 as well. It's a rejection block entry, I guess. Now I'd want to see a raise sweep of this high because we've been accumulating. All my days, bro, all my days, bro, all my days. Clearly this draw is fully just incorrect. This is so jarring, bro. Because now you're in the territory of, like, you would need to see something get respected, and then you could trade down. Because I'm not just taking a random pattern trade RFJ now. It's not necessarily a pattern trade because there is good narrative behind it. But clearly order flow is so bullish right now. Maybe if previous day's high gets swept. Actually, no, I'm getting off. Clearly my narrative's just wrong for gold, and like this, I'm not trading this bullshit. Half an hour into, more like an hour into the session, I'm just not doing that, so. Yeah, I mean, this short looks sexy to this unfilled 5 as your break even. Okay, well, are we gonna get an entry? That is a question. No entry, lad. I still think this data week's gonna be a good draw. I'm sizing down a lot for this, by the way, because I don't trust this, like, at all. Let's just go 250. I'm half risk on this. Is that a? Oh my god! Some gay volume in this, bro. If this doesn't go with speed now, though. Didn't close through the volume imbalance, bro. I want to see it close through that volume imbalance. Or if we can wick up into this, that would be hella clean. looking like it might want to retest it. This volume imbalance is obvious. Let's see what happens here. I want to see how we react around this. If we inverse it, I'm just going to call it and get off. Close below that 50%. Very good. Very good. Alright, I've literally just stopped my recording and got in a trade because this looked clean as. Because we had a change in state of delivery as well. It was a pretty shit change in state of delivery though. But it was a change in state of delivery. Unfilled 5 down here. Delivering from that. Because I was going to like just extreme displacement low. Unfilled 5, easy break even. We still have that data wick to be tagged. I'm just not a big fan of that being above. Previous day's high not being swept yet. But I am light risk on this. There's no reason why they shouldn't at least run to the break even, but I'm not really hoping for a break even. I want this low down here to be tagged. It's what I need. I mean, it's what the market needs too, bro. It's down here. It's here. Holy, bro, if we're just gonna start accumulating my stock, like accumulation at the break even, how good. This volume imbalance is clearly like causing us some trouble. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, we should have flushed after that. This is not good. It's just annoying me, bro. Like I wasn't gonna take this trade just off one minute inversion, but because we got that change in state of delivery too, I was like, alright. And also the fact that this, wow, this 30-minute here manipulated higher immediately. We had like a nice 30-minute PO3, like higher, bro. We keep failure swinging my break even, which when I say it, I don't like at all. If this is gonna be a fast break even, bro, I'm gonna crash it out. Because the way that this is being engineered is literally just so against me right now. There's a thinger at my break even. An FVG at my break even. What's even here? There's full nothing here. I would ideally want to go break even now because we've had 3 failure swings at my break even spot. But like it's just not necessarily viable because I'm literally in drawdown, bro. This is so jarring. This is pissing me off right now. Like, why are we not drawing into these gaps, bro? Holy failure swing, bro. This payout is hot ass, bro. Seriously. Are we gonna actually hit that 5 or what? Alright. Yes, we are going to hit that 5. What the what was that? Bruv. What was that? Holy, what was that? Bro. Thank God that manipulated lower before. Oh my life. Wow. Well, it looks like it's going to be a fast break even because this is a data wick. Bruh. What in the world was that? Oh my days. There's so much LR to run up here as well. Looks like a break even today. That was a crazy data wick though. Holy. That shit Loki scared the hell out of me, bro. Well, that had to be a data wick. Right? Right? My laptop's about to die. The emergency charger of me sitting on the floor. I literally have to sit on the floor. Is this what profitability looks like, bro? Is this what profitability looks like, Huss? I wonder if there's a Spatron right now. how much am I risking on this shit? How many cons do I have, bro? 4. Do us a solid and just dump, G. Blue bands, blue bands, blue bands. Bro, now I just want to go to sleep. I think I want to try my stop above this protected high, but I also don't at the same time. Like this tiny 1 minute protected high. But no, we'll just leave it like this. I'm gonna go get my phone and see what was good with that, bro. Hopefully we don't just accumulate here for the rest of the session. I'll crash out if that happens. What is Zesty Boy doing? Lying on the floor, bro. Just hit my TP, gang. 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 Just hit my TP, gang. Trump. Speech. No. No, bro, there's been no speech. I'll have to suss what it was after this. Cause like, that's weird. The shooter is too gone. My unicorn. See, bro. This is my pillow, boy. Boy. Boy, if you don't stop me. Boy, if you don't stop me, boy. Boy, if you don't stop me right now, boy. Surely, it looks like we're drawing towards our data week now. Alright, boys, I'm currently in a trade. I'm lying on the floor. As you can see, holy, this is dusty. I need to charge my PC. Alright, this. Bro, if this lame ass thing break evens me, I'm gonna be mad, bro. I'm currently in the trade. I'm literally lying on the floor. I'm lying on the floor because of this shit. If this lame thing break evens me before almost running to my TP, bro, I swear to God. I cut the OBS recording and now it's back up. But yeah, I'm in a trade now. Right, boys, this is the current setup, as you can see. I'm literally lying on the floor. Oh, what are you doing, bro? Holy. Don't be a lame. Did we tap a 5? Surely, lad. No, we didn't even do that, buddy. Yeah. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Guys, I'm literally lying on the. Oh, pause, bro. This guy's so corny. Anyway, I'm in a trade. Let me turn my camera around. Oh my gosh, bro. Wow. Far out. Why is Instagram so buns, dude? Alright, I'm in a trade currently. I turned off like the live thing that I was trading on, but I'm in a trade. I'm literally lying on the floor, bro. This is what real profitability looks like. I'm in a trade. I'm probably, hopefully I don't get break even, but as you can see. Alright, I'm in a trade currently. Oh my life. This shit's pissing me off, bro. This shit's peeing me off, bro. This shit's PMO, bro. PMO, bro. PMO, bro. As soon as this low gets broken, it's game over, G. It's genuinely game over. Can we holy, bro. Can this shit just go to my take profit, bro? There's a few minutes left in this hour. I'm literally lying on the floor and it's 1 a.m. in the morning, bro. This type of shit I'll be doing. Just for a bag. Just for a freaking bag, man. AM session's about to finish as well. I'm gonna brain rot until this hits TP. Okay, nice. Nice, bro. Alright, if we fail to like break this and don't start flushing now, I think I'm just gonna call it. Alright, nice. I mean, we shouldn't really be having pullbacks here, like, surely. We have so much LR here, bro. Dude, just. Cause, like, it just looks like we haven't got the juice to run. I'm leaving stop at the start of this LR. Because I sort of do when I actually go to sleep. It's like 10 past 1. And I mean, as soon as this LR starts to get run, there's a 5-minute up there. It could cause us some headaches. Because this LR should have been run, bro. There's a data wick right here. NYAM's over. Like, just get me out of this trade. Because this sort of looks like the manipulation for this candle. Do I just let it play out and just like go to sleep or something? Yeah, we'll let it play out. I mean, if this results in a break even after me moving that shit, I'm gonna be hella pissed. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm not trailing it so. Because, like, we do have this 5 here. Admittedly. And my stop is not extremely protected. Like, we could wick up into it, but. But I mean, if this 5 doesn't hold, then, like. I'm gonna be done anyway, so. Hopefully this doesn't just tag my break even and dip, bro. I'm gonna be so pissed if that shit happens. But I could say that this was a manipulation for that. But like all this LR, like, are you serious? The hourly held too, which is just so nice.
This is everything I do and eat in a day to maintain this lean physique year round. At around noon, I had a Celsius, and I had it with 2 chocolate rice cakes for my pre-workout meal to ensure that I get in my carbs for some quick energy. And you can see I got a pretty crazy pump. And afterwards, I finished off with typical Stairmaster session.
Council this week, I've had people telling me, oh, it's a good time to get the Broncos. They got players missing. So no doubt that's what the community.
Hey.
Order filled. Order filled. Stretching is what.
Hey mate, you looking to have a cheat meal over the long weekend? Scared of putting on weight? Save for the last meal of the day. That way you pick a lot of good. That's simple. Hey mate, you looking to have a cheat meal over the long
Let's see what we do at this. 5. I really hope we hold it, bro. Like, we should hold it, but... if we don't, I'm gonna be mad, bro. It's literally so deep. We have so much shit to run, lol.
This hidden muscle changes how your chest looks. It's the pectoralis minor. It sits under your chest.
I can't lie, I used to think this would shrink my dick. But when you actually think about it, it's way to Kegel exercise. And man knows what Kegel exercise.
I don't know how many times I need to tell you fucking meatheads how important your heart health is. If you're not doing these 5 things on a daily basis, you're not much for it. Firstly, you need to monitor your blood pressure on a daily basis. Keeping blood pressure under 120/80 is vital for longevity. Check every single morning at a similar time while being well rested because you probably won't feel high blood pressure until it's actually a tough time. Secondly, you need to stay hydrated. Males, 4 liters of water as a daily non-negotiable. Being dehydrated thickenens the blood and cause excessive serum high. Number 3, you need to control good inflammation through supplementation. Need to breathe.
Breaking news, Ecovision's Ecolite has failed third-party testing, and they found that their levels of lead were 2 times over the limit. Ryan Huntington got their new app where he third-party tests different supplements and he shares the findings. But the way that he presents it is pretty misleading. The 0.5 microgram limit is based off of California's Prop 65 legislation, which is not based off of any sort of science. It was a level that was arbitrarily set in 1989. Like, the FDA's inference reference levels for lead is...
Alrighty, guys. Today we have the long-awaited, very overdue, high-demanded cream of rice video. Guess how to make it. So I can't stress this enough. You need to get the Asian rice flour. Go to the Asian store, grab it. It's a must. Now, what you're going to do with the water to rice ratio, I like to do 5 times that number. So about a third of that's going to be cold water, and then the other 2/3 is going to be hot boiled water. Essentially, mix it up, get nice and thick. Chuck in.
This is what I eat every morning to stay lean and get my protein. By now, I know how to eyeball it, but I'll throw out some measurements for you guys. Over.
I've been working out for around 5 years, and this is what my back looked like a few years ago. And this is what it looks like now. I train back twice a week, and both workouts are slightly different. I've designed them to make my back wider, thicker, and strong. I start my back workout with heavy barbell rows. In my opinion, the best exercise for building fitness and strength. Go as heavy as possible. In this session, I rode 400 pounds, 180 kgs for 4 reps. Then drop the weight to a moderate level and exercise to failure. Just being informed. In this video, I'm breaking down just one of my 2 weekly back workouts. I'll upload the second one next week. Next.
It's no wonder this guy has this absurd back. This is simply one of the best back workouts I've ever seen on this social network. Follow along with me, and he starts right away with an absurd variation.
Bro, are we serious? Are we actually dead ass? Don't do this shit to me, bro. Not on a Friday. Like... oh, shit. Holy shit, bro. The only thing I could see it taking is that data wick, which is above my break even. And I'm not moving my shit around, bro. Best believe it. This 15 has no bottom wick and this 5 has no bottom wick, bro. Surely it just flushes down. I'm trailing my stop above this high. Because I mean, like, technically we shouldn't really hit this high. Also, if we do, we're coming for my stop. I don't necessarily see why we would sweep it. I want to see this 5 get tapped first, though. Bro, there's no shot. I literally moved my stop.
What is it like to fight in Thailand as a foreigner? And the reason for this massage that went so viral, it is curious. You will arrive at your gym and after training your coach, if he sees you doing well, will tell you, you fight in 2 days, don't worry, no worries, no worries. All the fear will come over you because you don't even know who you're fighting and they weigh you by eye. They look you up and down and more or less based on your size, they choose an opponent. The day of the fight arrives and you're all nervous. Here they don't warm up the way we're accustomed to in Spain or other countries.
Bro, there's no way.
It's boiling, it makes your body hot and rigid for fighting. You do a bit of mobility, but nothing excessive. You don't break a sweat like we do here. And that's a really, really crazy curiosity. It's very striking. Before the fight, we perform the white crew, which is this dance you see right here. It is like a traditional dance.
This is so dead, bro. Like, we have a data week there. We shouldn't be. Stop hunting me. The only thing I see is this data week. So only I don't even know if this is a data week, bro. Either. Like, I don't even know if it's a data week. Oh my gosh, bro. Don't respect these 1 minutes for the love of everything. Clearly this 5 minutes is not holding, bro. It's not even AM session anymore. Now we have a 5 minute with no top wick. Beautiful. This is a proper no top wick as well. Son, what are we doing?
AI polymarket trading bot.
This guy over here would have like the last.
Well, we just hit that 5 minute, which is not very fun. Wait, if this comes back and hits take profit, this will be the most generational shit ever. This will be the most generational shit ever if this hits TP. That was genuinely like no less than a couple ticks away. There's just so many obstacles in the way of price. To be fair, this is a fat risk reward. I probably should have trimmed a little bit over here, but I mean, I don't care. 'Cause Mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh. Look, you just want to go to sleep, man. I'm gonna go back to brain rotting. If this hits, it hits, bruv. Alright, why's my PC doing this? But I'm in bed now, bro. I'm about to fall asleep in the chart. I added this TP. Hopefully this isn't like hella loud, but surely we can get a flush lower now, bro. No, not 4. Oh my gosh. I'm fully out there. Bang, baby. Holy shit. That is a wild ride of a trade. Let me turn my light back on, bro. Holy. Holy, bro. Let me turn my fan off. That right there is a wild ride of a trade. Oh my days. How close was that to my stop? 3 ticks. 2 ticks away from a break even. Well, where was my fill? Are we dead ass? My fill was there. 85.9. No way my fill was there. My fill should have been lower. Fuck you. Anyway, that's still a decent fill. Yeah, clearly good trade. Very nice draw. But yeah, that's me done for the week, done for the day. This funded account's looking stacked now. Now it's at max payout. Now I can smack that shit up. No, I can take that max payout. But yeah, done for the week. Good week. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload this or edit it. But yeah, cheers.